Jesse Webb, principal of the Career Academy at Anthus. We would like to welcome you to come and check out our programs that we have, 22 different programs here at the Career Academy that will teach you not only life skills, but career skills that you can use beyond high school.
I'm Chris Roberts. I'm part of the Career Academy Construction Trades program. I've been an instructor here for 14 years now. And any students that have the opportunity or staff to come see us and tour our facility or buildings, we are more than excited, more than happy to have you come and see what we do. What's so unique about our Career Academy programs is that we are able to individualize each student. We have small class sizes. We have exciting sensory type things that really get students excited about their learning. What makes us unique is really the expertise in our career fields, and each instructor is just an absolute professional at what they do. We get to then instill that in our students in a short 2-year time frame and hope that they get to then transition into the career field in our local region.
So we offer 22 different programs here at the Career Academy, ranging from the health field to automotive, welding, construction, public safety, early childhood education. I think what you see with the programs when you walk through our buildings when students are here is you see a lot of interaction, students kind of collaborating on what is best for their careers, and just learning those skills that they need to be successful beyond our class. What I like to tell people about what we do is we're changing lives. We're giving students the opportunity to make a career choice right away, to where maybe they don't have to have college debt. So the one thing that we like to focus on, and it's not that we don't want them to go to college, it's just we want to give them the skills that they need to maybe push them through college without coming out with a major debt. And these are skills that they can use in their career field for a number of years. And you have students that kind of start out in construction, may go into health science, just getting that kind of unique background of all different types of skills. It's really big because we give out a bunch of dual credits that go along with each program. Each program usually has a certification, national certification that goes along with it. So they're coming out with not just the skills, but they actually have background to go with it. Things that they can take to an employer and say, okay, I have these skills, here's my proof. So they're really a step ahead of other candidates that are going to go into those career fields, say it like an Ivy Tech or a Purdue or St. Francis. We're working with Ivy Tech quite a bit on some different programs, some certification programs. One is for nursing. Those students can come out with basically a year in advance of applying to a nursing school. So it's just those opportunities that we want to give students to be one step ahead of other students that don't come to the Career Academy. Students love being here. They want to stay longer than they can sometimes. Sometimes we have to say, no, you have to go to your comprehensive school. You have to go do English and math and social studies and science, those type of classes. And really what they look for when the opportunity comes where they can be in a work-based learning experience of doing an internship or co-oping out and being out with that company 4 days a week and making good money, that's what thrives. That's what drives them to do what they do. And it's fun to see kids walk in every day and shake your hand and say thank you for the opportunity to be here. Thank you for the opportunity to learn these skills that I might not have had. And some of them, that aren't, comprehensive school kids, they struggle with, the core classes, and we give them an opportunity here to make something out of their life. We have students that probably would not have graduated, and they come here and they graduate and have a full-time job when they leave. So those are the success stories that we love to hear, and that's what makes it worth coming here every day.
With our smaller class sizes, we really can find out what each student can be or is great at.